How to make a resume in Quebec. Hi, I'm Michael, and I help the people who want to immigrate, work, study, or invest in Quebec or in Canada. Welcome on this channel. In this video, you will see how to make a real resume in Quebec, and I will show you on my screen. But before to start this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you don't want to miss nothing, click on the bell. Before to start this video, I suggest you to watch all this video, and I will give you many information and many tips for your resume in Quebec. Okay, well, we are on my screen, and I will show you my my resume is in French. Okay, well, for the first thing you should to know for the people who speak just in English, if you want to find a job and you want to and the majority of the job is in the region of Quebec, when I said in my the other video, so you should to translate your resume in French, because for the majority of the people in the region of Quebec is in French, and you should to translate your resume in French, because if you just to send your email in English, well, it's possible they don't want to call you back, because you are not able to speak in French. And for the people who they want to if you want to immigrate in the region of Quebec, it's very important to speak French. And the first thing you should to know is to send your resume in French. It's very important. Okay. For the first thing you should to know is when you make your resume in French, the first thing is just to put your resume maximum of 2 pages, because not more, especially if you have 7 years in experience and less. It should be 2 pages. Okay. For the first thing, you will see, don't put a picture or your photo of you or of yourself. Don't put your age, if you are married, or if you are single or whatever. The information, the personal information, is not what the information the headhunter want about you. He want just knowing if you are able to make a good job. For if he want to hire you, he want to know if you are able to make this job for the position offered. Okay, we will see that. Just to put your name here, my name is Michel, my place, where I live now, and your phone number, your email, and what is the position you search. Here is Directeur des ressources humaines, but you put your at this right place, because you can put the other place, but I think you should put on the top what is the position you looking for. It will be easier for the person who want to hire you. And profil de carrière, it's what is the goal of your career, and you explain a little bit what is it why the headhunter should to hire you. And you can put at the right place. If you are bilingual, français, anglais, French and English, because in Canada, Canada is a country bilingual, French and English. But in Quebec, the only language is French. But in Montreal, we know that when you are French and English, it's very good. But the majority of the job offer is in the region, and in the region is the majority of the people speak French. And if you looking for a job in Quebec, you will have more point on your score for immigration if you looking for a job in the region, not in Montreal. Montreal, you will have not enough, not all the point you can have if you looking for a job in the region. That's why I think you should to looking for a job in the region of Quebec. Okay, here it's what you say. Les compétences professionnelles, professional competency. Here you put what the important point you should to demonstrate to the headhunter, because for the headhunter, he wants to know if you hire you, what is your profile, what is your competencies, and what is the point important. And at this place here is the real good place. You put on the top of the resume what is your big competency, professional competencies. Here is your formation or formation, or what is your studies. But if you have someone who you don't have not enough experience, you can put your study on the top here, just under the competency, professional competency. But if you have more experience, professional experience, I think you should to put that just under the competency here, because your experience is more relevant for the position you're looking for. Because always when you put some information is because your professional competency, your professional experience, your studies is always relevant with the position you're looking for. And all this information must to be in French always, okay? Especially if you're looking for a job in the region of Quebec. So, okay, here for your experience, you can put here what is the title of your position, what is the company, what is the date of that, and your responsibility or your task. And just to put here, well, for me is not always good, but you can improve your resume, and myself too. But here you can put some verb action here on for the task or for your responsibility. Well, it's same thing if you have another experience, and if you have some information, some complementarity of your formation, of you have some knowledge in software, like for the language, like JavaScript or CSS or whatever. So you can put that, and if you're looking for a job for scientific computer, you can put knowledge in computer just right there too. it depends of the job you're looking for. For me, I put this resume, and this resume is not my real resume. It's just an example I've made because it's a fake resume for just the video. But I will explain you by an example, a real example, and you can just to put your information on the right place, and you can separate by a line here if you want. So for me, I don't put that, so it was just for an example. And for the person who want to hire you, he wants or she wants to have some information about you, and are you able to make this job with your knowledge, your experience, your competencies, and all the thing. Is the major information, the big information you should to explain in your resume. Okay, we will see that another example of for a resume. This resume is in French too. It's from Monster. I will show you, and I will give you the link. And it's the same things. You put your name, your address. You can put just your address, just your city, not your postal code, or just your city. It's very good. And you put your email and your phone number. Okay, so here you explain your profile of your goal of your career, and you explain a little bit what is your profile. Here you check, you are looking for your competency, your key competencies. You put there. You will adapt your resume with this example, and after you will see this experience, professional experience, and you can put there, and you explain what is your title, where is it, the company, and what is it do. This company, and what is your task and your responsibility, and you check with you can put one or two experiences, so not more for 2 pages for your resume. And if you have enough place on your resume, you can put other activities. You put your formation here, your studies, your diploma, you can put there, and your reference on demand. And that's it. It's not so complicated. It's just to apply this format, and you will have a good chance for finding a job. Okay. Well, I want to show you on Monster. Okay, if you go on Monster, you will see here. You just to scroll down here, and here you can put you click on this link, and you will have this example here. It was. Céline Falido. Alors, well, you will have this resume. And, well, if you have some diploma from outside of Quebec or Canada, okay, and we don't know what is your diploma, what is the equivalent of for the diploma in Quebec. So, you can put the title of your diploma here, and you explain, well, this diploma, well, equivalent to, a college or a university diploma or whatever. So it's very important to mention to put the information here just under the title of your diploma, just for explain what is your diploma and what is the equivalent of your diploma in Quebec. So just for knowing that, you go here on the études comparatives pour des études effectuées hors Québec. You click on that, and just to put, and you will see it's in French, but I think you should it's possible to put in English here. Okay, comparative evaluation for studies done outside Quebec. So you will see that, and I think you click on that. Well, I think I've seen that. Okay, just before it was in English. You know, the fees for that is $123 for making this evaluation. I think it's 2 or 3 months it will take, but I don't remember. So I think you should to make this evaluation, and when you will put this information, you will have some a better chance for finding a job, because you have a real evaluation making by the government of Quebec. Well, we are almost at the end of this video, and if you want to have more information about how to make a resume in Quebec, you can buy my training, How to Immigrate and Find a Job in Quebec Without Pulling Your Hair Out, and you will have all this information for finding a job. And I remember you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to like this video, just to put a like is very appreciated. And if you want to make a comment, or if you want to ask me a question, you can go on this video, or you can go on my website investir.com, and you can go on my forum to ask your question in French or in English. So I will see you in another video on the next time. So thank you, ciao, bye bye.